Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can use two different Instagram accounts in one phone. Now, if you want to use a multiple account into your Instagram app, then all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with, first of all, go ahead and log into your Instagram account or open up your Instagram application. And once you open up your Instagram application, this is how the interface is going to look like. Now basically what you'll have to do is just go to your profile icon located in the bottom right hand side corner, and then you need to tap on the tab bar icon located in the top right hand side corner. After that, you need to scroll down right to the bottom and you need to go ahead and tap on add account. After that, you need to go ahead and tap on either you are actually creating an account or whether you are actually logging into your existing account. So in my case, I'm going to go ahead and log in into the existing account. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on this, and you need to select which of these accounts that you wish to log in and click on the login button, and it's going to direct you to the official page when you're actually logged in. So that's basically how you can use two different accounts into your one Instagram app. And similarly, you can add multiple accounts, more than 5 accounts at the same time, and that's how you can use two Instagram accounts in one phone. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.